Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to accept terms and condition on iPhone. If you want to accept terms and condition of your iPhone and you are getting stuck on this page, so you just have to follow these steps. First, you have to open your phone settings, and here you have to check if your phone's it's updated or not. So open general option, here's that, tap on it, and here you have an option of software update. Just tap on it, and here you have to check if your phone software is up to date. As you can see, my phone software is up to date, but I am unable to agree these terms and conditions. So here the second option is that you just have to turn off your phone and then power it on again. So I'm going to do this. Just scroll down, and here you'll get an option of power. Just keep a long press on it, and now you just have to slide this icon to right to power off your phone, just like this. So you can see I have successfully powered off my phone. Now I am going to power it on. Just keep a long press on power button, and then your phone will be powered on. And after this you will be able to accept terms and condition on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.